everyone, welcome to our channel, Manila Philippines. We're going to Manila from Mabalacat, and as you can see, it's so traffic, and we're here in San Fernando. It's so traffic right now. We're already here in San Simon, and from San Fernando and to San Simon, and it's so traffic. Maybe it's 1 hour because it's so heavy flood and have flood in the road. Even the small cars already cannot enter because of the flood. Even you can see in the right side, all the houses have so many waters, and the left side it's traffic, as you can see in the video, guys. As you can see in the left side, you can see the traffic from Manila, and it's so heavy traffic. And you can see in the right side also the flooded from the houses, and we escape from the traffic also, and we're going to Manila already. Take a look, the roads, they have cracks and holes because of the flood, and it's not easy to drive right now.
The lane departure.
We're here already in Bulacan, and as you can see in the left side, it's so traffic and it's not moving, and it's from Manila to San Simon, the traffic, and it's so heavy rain also. So if you travel from Manila to Angeles, maybe you can consume 10 hours in the travel, or maybe stay in the traffic. And if you want early come back to or come to Angeles, better you early travel from Manila to Angeles. Maybe it's 5 a.m. to, or maybe 4 a.m. It's better to travel in a bus. And we travel from 3 p.m. from Manila, and we just only arrive 9 p.m. in San Simon, Pampanga, and you can see in the road it's so flood and so heavy traffic. Thank you for watching.